Peace seekers, welcome back to Soulful Mastery. I'm so grateful to have you here. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that holds the key to unlocking your fullest potential, manifesting your dream life. The law of attraction is a powerful force, a universal principle that governs creation. But it's not magic. It's about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your deepest desires. Many people misunderstand the law of attraction as simply wishing for things. It's more than that. It's about cultivating a mindset of abundance and taking inspired action. Let's explore a practical, step-by-step approach to make this law work for you. Step 1 is clear visualization. Imagine your dream life as vividly as possible. Don't just think about it, feel it. If you dream of financial freedom, visualize yourself holding that abundance. Feel the security and joy it brings. If you desire a loving relationship, imagine the warmth of your partner's embrace, hear their laughter, feel the deep connection, engage all your senses. See the colors, hear the sounds, smell the aromas, taste the flavors, and feel the textures of your dream reality. Spend 5-10 minutes each morning nurturing this vision. This consistent practice imprints the blueprint of your desires onto your subconscious mind. Step 2 is taking inspired action. The universe responds to action. It's about listening to your intuition, those subtle nudges and whispers guiding you toward your goals. Ask yourself, what's one small step I can take today to move closer to my dream? If you want to write a book, write one page. If you want to start a business, research your market. Don't get overwhelmed by the big picture. Focus on the next right step and trust that the universe will open doors for you as you move forward. Remember, inspired action is not frantic or forced. It flows effortlessly from a place of alignment with your vision. Step 3, and perhaps the most important, is practicing self-compassion. The journey to manifesting your dreams isn't always linear. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. Be kind to yourself during these times. Remember, you are a work in progress. Just like a seed needs time to sprout and grow, your dreams need time to unfold. Celebrate small victories, learn from setbacks, and never give up on yourself. Self-love is the fertile ground from which your dreams will blossom. Now, I understand some of you may be skeptical. You might be thinking, is this just wishful thinking? The law of attraction is not about passively wishing. It's about actively creating. It's about aligning your energy with the energy of your desires. It's about believing in your potential and taking consistent action, fueled by faith and self-belief. I've witnessed incredible transformations in my own life and the lives of countless others by applying these principles. One common misconception is that the law of attraction is about getting everything you want instantly. That's simply not true. It's a process of growth, of becoming the person who embodies the qualities and characteristics necessary to attract your desires. It's about cultivating a mindset of abundance and gratitude, which naturally attracts more abundance into your life. Peace seekers, remember this: your thoughts are powerful. Your beliefs shape your reality. Choose thoughts that empower you, beliefs that uplift you, and actions that move you closer to your dreams. Embrace the journey, trust the timing, and celebrate every step along the way. Your dream life is not a destination, it's a journey of becoming. If this resonated with you, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Share this message with others who are on their own journey of manifestation. Let's create a community of empowered individuals, supporting each other and living our best lives.